Welcome to the first episode of this awesome series called Back to Basics. I'm excited to show you the cool stuff that you could do with just a little bit of HTML, CSS and JS. In this video, we're going to create a custom carousel from scratch. And by custom carousel, I mean an image slideshow. So the first thing you want to do is download 5 images and save them inside a folder. You can name this folder assets. Inside our HTML, we're going to have a main tag. Inside our main tag, let's have a container. The container is going to have 2 sections. The first section is going to be for the image that is on display, and the second section is going to be for the list of images. Now, if we save this file and we check it in the browser, this looks crazy. So we're going to style it up. In our CSS, let's make sure that the body has no margins and padding. And then our main tag, we're going to set its height to 100 VH, which is basically the full screen. And we want to make sure it's a flex display so that we can center the container that is inside the main tag. And maybe we can change the background to your liking. Now the image on display, remember this is the div. We're going to set its height and we're going to give it a bit of margin at the bottom and border radius. Now the image tag inside image on display div, we're going to set its width and its height to 100%. And just a little bit of border radius to match the border radius of the parent. And our image list is going to be a flex box, which has a gap of 5 pixels in between each element. And the image tags inside the image list, we're going to give it a height of like 10 VH. And we're going to set its flex to 1 so that they're all the same size. And the border radius, we're going to make it like 5 pixels and make sure that its cursor is set to pointer. Also, remember to link your CSS to the HTML file. So now if we save this CSS file and we go check it out, you're going to see that our page looks much better, but there's no functionality. So to add some functionality, we're going to add JavaScript. So we'll create a JavaScript file and we'll link the script to the HTML file. So in our JS, the first thing you want to do is you want to get the image tag for the image on display. And then the second thing you want to do is get all the image tags in the image list div. We're going to loop through the image list. And for each image, we're going to add an event listener. So we're going to change the source of the image on display on hovering over the images in image list. Now that we have this code, we're just going to save this and we're going to see if it applies. Stay tuned for more episodes on Back to Basics.